Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the EarFun Air Pro 2. Now these are true wireless earbuds that feature active noise cancellation. Now you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $80. I repeat, $80. Now on a side note, if you like what you see, I got a discount code available that's going to save you 35%. Now, just in case you're not good with math, you're only going to have to pay $52. Now, keep that in the back of your mind. Everything that you see, all of these features for $52. All right, so let's go through the specs. Now, these are Bluetooth version 5.2. They're IPX5 sweat and water resistant. You got hybrid active noise cancellation. You got auto wind noise reduction. They're 10mm titanium composite dynamic drivers. You got 6 mics, 3 in each earbud. That's going to give you crystal clear phone calls. You got in-ear detection. So that means when you're wearing the earbuds and playing your music, once you take them out, it'll automatically pause your music, put them back in, your music will resume. You got transparency mode, also known as ambient sound mode. So this way, if you want to have a conversation without taking your earbuds out, switch them into transparency mode. Now the battery life on these is 7 hours on a single charge, with an additional 27 hours using the charging case. So that's a total of 34 hours. Now you can use each earbud independently. You also have quick charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours worth of playtime. The case is wireless charge compatible. And you also got your touch controls for play and pause, volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks. All right, so all of that for $52. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. EarFun Air Pro 2. Okay, $52. Grab a little unboxing knife. Wow. Here we go. Okay, nice presentation. Let's see what it is. Clean white box. Giggity. Here we go. Now, on a side note, y'all seen me review EarFun earbuds before. These are quality earbuds that's not going to break your pockets. Okay, so let's see what you get inside. Now, these are going to be your earbuds. This is the charging case. Let's see what else. Okay. Nice and simple. Let's see. Now, do I have to activate beast mode? Okay, not necessary. Okay, so you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. This is going to be different size ear tips. Let's see how they look. Okay. So you got 3 different size ear tips. You got small, medium, and large. Okay. Let me go ahead and save those. And of course, you got your charging cable. Now these charge USB Type-C. All right, so the charging case has wireless charge and USB Type-C. All right, Shoes, inspect that for quality. All right, Shoes trying to inspect the ear tips for quality. Okay, cool, do that too. Let's see, you got some more ear tips. Let's see, now these should be different styles. Let's see, here we go. Okay, so you got a bunch of ear tips. So you're gonna find your right size, guaranteed. Here we go, more ear tips. All right, now I'll play around with these and get the right size. Here's your charging case. Okay, USB Type-C. And here's your earbuds. Now these are the pencil style. Let's get them, pop them out. Here's how they look. There's your right and left. Okay, ear tips already installed. Peel a little plastics off. Okay, and then we'll drop them back in the charging case. Let's see how they look. Okay. See if I can do this on the first try. Of course not. I can never do this on the first try. All right, there it is. Here's how they look in the case. Just like that. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll grab a phone, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, let's check the charging case for wireless charge. Now, I got the Razer wireless charger. You see the light is one color. If you put a product on it that has wireless charge and it starts charging up, you'll see the lights flashing. Here we go. RGBs are flashing. You can see the LED on the charging case. wireless charger on deck. Now let's take a look at the charging case. Nice and lightweight, all plastic, little branding on the top, matte feel, so no fingerprints, USB Type-C charging slot on the back, and your LED on the front. Here's how it looks opened up. Now let's check the magnets. We'll start off with minimum shakage. Okay, nothing. Intermediate shakage. Nothing. Maximum shakage. No movement at all. Excellent strength on the magnets. Now for the actual earbuds. Matte on the top. Gloss on the stems. Got a little company branding. Gold tip pins. Real nice. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in my ears and we'll check the fit, the feel, and the look. Now make sure you get the right size ear tips. Okay, now I got them in nice and tight. They feel very snug, lightweight, and comfortable. And you can already hear a little bit of noise isolation. Okay, so now let's do the head shake test. We'll start off with minimum shakage. Okay, nothing. Intermediate shakage. Nothing. Maximum shakage. Okay, no movement. Now here's how they're gonna look. Just like that. Now I can't stress this enough. Make sure you get the right size ear tips and get the right fit. Now for the most important part, the sound test. Because all of these features don't mean anything if the earbuds don't sound good. So I got a classic song queued up. We got Love in the 90s by Mac Wilds. And if y'all never heard this song, make sure you go download it. I'm going to start off with maximum volume, ANC turned on. And I promise y'all I'm not going to sing, okay? Birdman hands rubbing together, double tap for playing pause, and I got a little microphone just in case. All right, here we go. Woo, okay, hold up. I was your first prince back in the summer days. Oh, these sound good. I love you near a long time. You had them Daisy Dukes that stop below the waist, showing off your bikini line. And I know that you got a thing for the young boys. And I know that you fuck with dudes in the fast cars. Sunshine is calling, your body is calling, the 90s is coming down. Let's go. Put on some 12 play to have us a play date. Why don't we fall in love like we did in the 90s? Let's go. Like we did in the 90s. Hold up. Let me put the mic down for a minute. Like when Tito too proud to bet. When the nigga keep made you sweat. Like when Jodeci sang Forever My Lady. Come be my baby. I like the 90s. Okay, hold up. Double tap for playing pause. Wow. Now, I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again, and I'm going to keep saying it. You don't have to spend $300 for quality earbuds. Now, all jokes aside, these sound great. Okay, these sound great for $52. I got to put them back in one more time. We got to do the bass test. Hold up. Okay, now look. The in-ear detection. Oh, let me check. The in-ear detection just worked because as soon as I put them back in, the music started playing. All right. That's a nice little feature. All right, hit pause. We got to do the bass test real quick just to make sure. Let's take it over to Nipsey Hussle, Blue Laces. Why not? All right, here we go. Oh, baby, it's been so long. Let me put my seatbelt on just in case. Just in case. Here it goes. Okay. Hold up. Oh, these are not bad for $52. Hold up. Mogul, they know that. Okay, let's try the in-ear detection one more time. I'm going to pop it out. Okay, automatically pause the music. $52. This is a steal right here. Okay, now go to Amazon, read the review, read the reviews for yourself. These sound pretty good. Now, of course, I'm not going to oversell it. These are not going to take the place of your B&O EQs or your PI7s. But for $52, this is a win right here. All right, let's do some more testing. First, let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? So you see they're connected. Let's go ahead and drop them in. Close them up. Wait for it to fully disconnect. There it is. Okay, here we go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. Just like that. 2 Mississippis. That's pretty good. Now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's hit play on the music. Okay, now I'm going to take out the left side, put it in the case. Okay, still connected. Let's hit play again. There it is. Okay, now let's put the left side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. Okay, just that fast. Now let's put the right side in. Close it up. Still connected. Let's hit play on the music. There it is. This is pretty dope. You can play music from either earbud while the other one is charging up in the case, basically doubling your battery life. Now let's check the touch controls. Single press on the right earbud for volume up. Okay, you see the volume going up? Now single press on the left earbud for volume down. Okay, no issues with that. Double press on the right earbud for play and pause. That'll also answer and end phone calls. Okay, just pause. Now I'm going to hit play again. Okay, there it is. Now triple press on the right earbud to go to the next song. Okay, there it is. Now triple press on the left earbud to go to the previous track. Okay, and long press on the right earbud to activate your voice assistant. What's the weather for tomorrow? Okay, and long press on the left earbud to cycle between off, noise cancellation, and transparency mode. So all of the touch controls work. Now let's check the call quality. And Amaya's at practice, so I can't call her. So let's call up a 24-hour diner and see what time they close. Okay, it's ringing out of both ears. EarFun AirPro 2 connected. Yes, hi, is this the diner? Is this the diner? What time you guys close tonight? Okay, do I have to show a vaccination card in order to sit inside? Now, are they really checking it? Like, do I have to have ID or can I just show them anybody's? Because I'm really hungry. Oh, okay, cool. All right, I like that. All right. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. All right. All right, that's my kind of guy right there. He said, let's bring a picture of it. Okay, no issues with the call quality. I heard him, he heard me. There it is. All right, so now let's check for latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Okay, here we go. Now, I'm watching a YouTube video. No delay at all. So this would be perfect to watch your videos at work. Now, I'm going to walk around the corner to the store to get White Shoes some dinner. So I'm going to test out the Bluetooth range, active noise cancellation, and transparency mode. All right, so I just did the range test. I walked all the way to 30 feet, 40 feet, and 50 feet. No drop connections at all. This passed with flying colors. Now, as far as transparency mode, it's okay. Now, if you're listening to music at max volume, you're going to want to turn it down a little bit, but you can have a conversation without taking your earbuds out. And lastly, active noise cancellation. Now, you know I got 3 tier rankings. We got trash tier, okay tier, and top tier. I would rank these at okay tier noise cancellation. Now, it's not the best in the world, but it's not trash. It's right in the middle. It's okay. You will drown out some background noise, but this is not going to replace your AirPod Pros or your PI7s or your B&O EQs. But for $52, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. These sound great, excellent battery life, plenty of features, and again, $52. So let me go ahead and wrap this up. EarFun Air Pro 2, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving these a major go. And for $52, this is an automatic win. You cannot go wrong. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. I already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.